going to show you a quick video on this leak detection to repair series on packing a proper conduit with lights. You get a lot of guys that bubblegum these things with epoxy. That all fails. As soon as you put epoxy in, you go to put the light back, even the next day, that epoxy is going to shift, it's going to move. It will always fail. Use butyl tape. This is how we use butyl tape. This is how we got it done. Check it out. So this is actually a video from a customer that actually sent this up to us. Again, this is just to show you what epoxy looks like. It's all glommered up in there. They actually covered the bond wire with it as well. So this is where we're going to show the example. Totally different pool. We're going to remove the light, pop it out, and we'll see that, look, this had a butyl tape in there that just popped out. A lot of times if you don't put it in right, that's what happens. So that's why we're showing you how to do it this way. So what we like to do is take our strip, let it hang down, and what we do is we start packing it around the wire. And I like to use a flathead, a dulled out flathead if you can. It makes it easier and not stick to it. And what we do is we like to put it in, and this is the most important part right here, is where we actually twist it around the wire and then we pack it all again. It's important that you do this, otherwise it's not going to fully pack all the way around. And you want to get it in. You want to get it pretty far back if you can. So again, we're going to keep packing it, and then we're going to pull the wire, pack it underneath. We're going to pack it in all the different directions. When we're done and we have it all packed and we do another layer with that last little bit, we just take our thumb. Sometimes I'll actually use the back of a screwdriver. And again, that's the little bit that sticks out of the actual conduit. Pack it tight with our thumb. Now when we move this wire, it's so far packed back that it's not going to move out of the way. For more videos like this, check out our YouTube channel and go to Leaktronics.com.